What up, YouTube? Coming to y'all today with a little battery safety. I know a lot of us, we tend to just come in, take a battery out, and be done with it, call it a day. But depending on what year your car is, you have a lot of electronics in it that'll be affected by it. So there's a proper way to remove the battery terminals dealing with stuff like this. So we're going to start first identifying the negative and the positive terminals. Okay, we already know that this is the positive terminal because if you look on the batteries, in most cases it's marked. It's up under there, you can't really see it, but yeah, see it right there. That's your positive terminal, and then your negative terminal is on this side. Identifiable the same way. So when you're dealing with stuff like this, you always want to remove the negative first. Remove that, then you take out the positive. Especially with cars that are, I want to say 98 and newer. The older cars, it really didn't really matter. But you have so much computerized stuff in these cars now. You know, just by looking at the fuse box, you see there's a lot of electronics in here. So remove the negative first. Because I got the old school terminals on this instead of the ones that came on there. Let me go back and get the 1/2 inch. So in case you're wondering, I'm removing this battery because it needs to be charged. Looks like my 1/2 inch is gone. Yeah, it's gone. But we'll try something else. Still got to accomplish the job. Start loosening these up like so. And the reason to do this is because what if you mess around and bump into the car? Because look at the proximity, you know, it touches that and it's positive. You're gonna fry a little something in there, which will create another issue. So you loosen it up and twist it a little bit and it'll come off like that. I hate how these are made. That's been messed up. Just FYI, it's not by me. Just like before, you get it open. Just twist on a little bit. Come straight off. Put it down out the way. Then you can remove the battery hold down. And these are important because if you got the wrong size battery in there or the right size battery, that thing can slide everywhere and it could create an issue in your engine bay. As you can see, everything is in the way. It'll hit all of that stuff and tear it up. How do I know? I've done that before, years ago. Trust me, the fireworks weren't pretty. Okay, now that that's loosened up, J-hook should slide off like that. We're gonna do it like this, just so we can get it out. that. Set that to the side, take this out. And just like that, you're done. Continue to like, share, subscribe, comment, and make sure you check out them stores and check out Colorado. Peace.